y'all. We think we found the one. Hey, y'all, sit back and y'all enjoy the quick recap.
This is Black Hero Cat.
Thank y'all for following us on this journey where we went full-time camping for almost a year with 3 kids and 2 dogs. Along this journey, we learned what we needed, what we did not need, and we learned to just enjoy the little moments. And now we are transitioning back to the regular lifestyle. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so this is the last pack up for full-time camping. We are up at 7 o'clock in the morning. We got Robbie getting the dishes clean, hopefully.
We packed up all of our stuff to get ready to move to the brand new house.
For the most part, while living in a camper, you really only need clothes and personal items. So that's literally all we took with us to the new house, were clothes, personal items, and whatever we needed to maintain the RV. They're going through the tights.
Well, guys, as you can see, this is our final unhook. We learned a lot throughout this journey. Prior to us starting, I didn't even know how to set up an RV, yet alone level it. I've learned how to level it, hook and unhook throughout this journey. It's been an amazing experience. If you guys are wanting to get into this journey but have no idea, no experience, just always remember, take your time and safety first. Take your time and just really pay attention to everything around you, and you'll get it, trust me.
We had a heck of a good time on our camping journey, and we had a lot of fun and a lot of hilarious moments, and we learned a lot of new things. But what I would recommend is adding some bug spray for all of the bugs and critters out there. And what I really like the most about camping is you can explore outside, you can tie ropes from the sticks to the trees and swing, just make it careful. And all the things you can explore, and it's adventurous outside, and it's really fun outside.
He got his bucket hat on today, you can't tell him that.
I'm not got no sips now.
Huh?
I'm not got no sips now.
You ain't got no sips. You want some Starbucks?
Give me that, yeah. Thank you.
Man, it's gonna be a super heavy.
All right, we cleaned up the campsite as best as we could. I think it's coming from the truck. At this moment of packing up, it was a bittersweet moment. Didn't really know how to feel because normally we're getting ready to go to a new spot, but this time we're getting ready to go to our new home. This is just the end of this journey. We will be camping more in the future. It's just the end of full time for now. Maybe we'll do it again, maybe we won't. Who knows? Just made it to the dump station.
It's gonna come.
I'm gonna let you know, I got a call from my manager. There is a tree in the road that he said that you guys might have a hard time getting around. I'm going to get a saw to cut that up right now, so go slow, okay?
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
All right.
I'm trying to get on that as quick as I can, though, okay?
Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
What y'all think?
Going full-time camping was definitely just like a out of pocket experience. I don't even know where it came from. Just woke up one day and was like, you know what? Let's live in an RV and travel.
You bit my bug.
So we are officially out of full-time camping. We're parking the RV in the storage unit nearby our home. That way we can go and check on it.
Going to the house.
Forget it whenever we like.
Welcome home.
Here we are starting all over again with our furniture. We're very thankful and blessed to be able to have the mindset and the ability to be able to travel around the world with our kids, to show them different climates, different ways of living, and just to be thankful for just having the bare minimum at our hands. Thank you guys for coming along with us, and stay tuned for what we have to come. Be blessed.